we are here to discuss about our group assignment. So, but before diving in deeper, I would suggest us to introduce ourselves. I'm starting with myself first. My name is Hishanti, daughter of T. James. My matrix number is 70576, followed by
My name is Nurizati ACT3513 and my metric number is S71829.
My name is Suleka Simlia binti Zahari and my metric number is S71699.
My name is Priyanka Dadrapano, matrix number S70821.
My name is Nurhanisa binti Azhar. My metric number is 700858.
My name is Nurul Umairah binti Muhammad Zulkarnain with metric number S70130.
okay, perfect. So, can we take a look at the assignment instructions? Can someone please?
Yeah.
Thank you. So can someone please share the screen so that we can take a look at the instructions? Okay, so this is our group assignment, everyone. So as we all know, the title of our assignment is Integrating Digital Skills for Relational Database Problem Solving in Accounting Information System. So let's take a look at the instructions. Okay, so we have three stages of meeting. We have meeting 1, meeting 2, and meeting 3. So meeting 1, it is included in task 1 and task 2. So task 1 is about us having a group meeting in Microsoft Teams, and then we have to delegate roles and also responsibility for each other to do our parts. And then task 2 is about the data entry, which we key in all the data in the database of Microsoft Access. And then we also need to resolve any challenges that we face during our virtual meetings. And then entering to task 3, which is meeting 2, we have to choose either SQL view or design view in Microsoft Access to showcase the structure of the database. And then we also need to explain how it supports the solution to problem 4.5. So in this step, we have to make sure that we all actively contribute to be the presentation. And then in task 4, we have problem solving, which we eventually have to utilize the Microsoft Teams channel to collaboratively answer the questions. And we have to make sure that the report include the answer from A to L. Okay, and then we have to make sure all of us discuss. And then we have task 5, which is included in the meeting 3 as well, the last task. We have to conduct a final meeting using Microsoft Teams, and also we have to review all the completed tasks, and also we have to discuss any final adjustment to be made. And also we have to compile a comprehensive report in Microsoft Teams channel that includes the database design that we chose lah. So that is it for the instruction. I hope you guys understand the instruction. Is the instruction clear?
Yes, Hishanti.
Yes.
Clear.
All right.
So now what should we do?
Now we will have to delegate our roles and also responsibilities in doing our group assignments. So who want to go first? Which part you all want to do?
I want to do customer and inventory.
Okay. Next.
I want to do for say inventory.
Perfect.
And I will answer the question for query A until D.
Next.
I will answer the query for I until L.
Priya.
I will query the answer E until H.
Okay. And I myself will key in the data for sales. Okay. So all the roles are now already given. So I think we can start keying in our data in Microsoft database.
So Ika can share their screens.
Okay, wait. Okay, guys, for now, I want to show you how key in data for customer. So we already have table here. So we just need to rename field. Customer ID. And we need to click to add a column. Short text. Customer name. City. State. And for the last one, credit limit. Okay. So for the column here, we need to choose data type number. Okay. Then we can key in data. Okay, I'm done keying for customer. So now I move on to key in data for inventory. So we need to click create and we need to click table. Oh, I forgot to rename that table. We need to save first. Then we rename customers. Customer. Okay, now I want to key in data for inventory. Same like customer, we need to rename field and add column. Okay, so we need to choose data type, number. So, okay, we key in. Two, two. Sorry, guys. Take small. Okay, I'm done keying data for customer and inventory. So I will share the Microsoft Access to Hishanti to continue for keying data sales.
Okay, so hi everyone. You all can see my screen?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, so now it's my part to do my to key in the sales. I'm gonna rename this into invoice. Okay, short text. And then this one will put sale date. And then this one is short text. We'll put sales person. And then another one is number, which is customer. And then currency, which is amount, which is amount. Okay, so now we'll start keying in. Okay, this invoice, we have to all right, so now let's key in the first part.
Hishanti, sorry. You missed
Yes.
the invoice 101 until 107. You didn't start from early.
108, right? 108 is the
No. We have 101 until 107. Not start
oh,
with 108.
for sales, is it?
Sales.
On page 1.
101 until
page 2.
107. You miss.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay.
Okay.
Ishanti,
Yes.
sorry to disturb you.
Mhm.
I want to ask, what's the data type for CDIT?
The data type for sale date is normal amount number,
I think uh
short text.
I think it's a date or time. That's one.
Okay, thank you very much for correcting.
Right.
Okay. Hmm. Okay, I have completed my sales part. Okay, let me save this as sales. Okay. So I'll be passing this to Izati. Am I correct?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, my turn.
So wait.
Okay, do you guys can see the screen that I shared?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Okay. My task is need to key in the say inventory here. Before that, I need to create this first. Say inventory. So for the first column, I will put invoice, item ID, quantity, and say price. And for the invoice is the data type, short text. Same also with item ID. And for the quantity is number. And for the say price is currency. All right. So I will start keying now. Okay, it will appear like this. If it appear like this, you need to go to view and design view. Before that, I forgot. I'm so sorry. You need to change first this 102, and then you can go to view. Okay, here. As you can see here, primary key, you need to tekan this button. And you go back. Okay. And then you put the invoice number again. Okay. See? So it should be 9995, right? 5. Okay, guys, I'm done for keying C inventories. So I'm already done for keying C inventory. That's all for the meeting one, right?
Yes.
Yes, so I think we have completed our meeting one. Thank you everyone very much for giving your cooperations. So I think yeah, that is a wrap for meeting one.
Thank you,
Thank you
everyone.
everyone. Thank
Thank you,
you.
everyone. Bye.
Thank
Thank you
you.
too.
Bye.
All right, so I will continue the query question. Before that, I will show the data or four table that our friend create. So first of all is customer, inventory, sale, and lastly is sale inventory. Okay, so I will show you guys how to answer the question based on query design. So first of all, based on the table 4.5 we create, the question have a 12, which is A until L. So first question A, for which item are there at least 100 units in quantity on hand? Okay, so first of all, we have to go to create, click query design, and choose the inventory. After that, we have choose item ID, description, and quantity on hand. So the sort for under quantity on hand is we have to choose ascending, and because of the question said at least 100 units in quantity on hand, we have to put it at least 100. Alright, so this is how we answer the question, and we have to click run. So the output show that the answer we given that. So I will save the query one as a query A. Okay. Next question. What were the item numbers, price and quantity of each item sold on invoice number 103? So I will do the same step, which is click create, query design, and choose sale inventory. After that, I will choose invoice. Invoice again, item ID, quantity, and sale price under sale inventory. So the criteria, we have to put number 103 under the invoice. Alright, so we have to click run. And this is how output show for answer question for query B. And we have to save it for query B. For next question is C. Which customer made purchase from Martinez? Provide customer name and salesperson. Show customer name only once, even if they purchase from Martinez multiple times. So we have to create query design and choose customer and sale. So this is the relationship show customer ID from customer and customer ID from sale. So we have to choose customer name and salesperson. Under customer name, under customer, and salesperson under sales. So we have to click total to get group by and click this. Criteria, we have to put it Martinez. Because of we have to provide customer name and salesperson under Martinez multiple times. So we have to click run, and this is how output show. So I will save this to query C. And next question. Same step. For question D, list invoice, sale date, salesperson, customer name, and amount for invoice whose amount is more than $1,500. Sort the amount from largest to smallest. So we have to go to query design and choose table, customer, and sale. This is the relationship for customer and sale, customer ID, primary key. So we have to choose invoice under sale, sale date under sale, salesperson under sale tools, customer name under customer, under customer, and amount under sale. So we have to click totals, and this show group by all of this. Under amount, we sort, we have to choose descending. So we have to click show all of this, and we have to put $115 under amount, and we have to click run. So this is how output show for query design question D. So I will save query for query D. So this is how I answer the question for query A until query D. Next, I will pass to my friends to
Lisa?
answer the. Yes.
Can I ask you,
Yes.
you choose design view or SQL?
I will show the SQL view first for query D. So we have two different view. We can see in this SQL view, and this is design view. So I will choose design view because it's easy to see.
Yes,
Okay,
we
Lisa,
agree.
thank you.
We agree on that. Yeah.
All right, so I will pass the next question to my friend to answer the query design for next question.
All right.
Okay, next question, next queries is it should be Priya, right?
Sekejap aku tengah share ni.
Alright.
Guys, boleh tak saya buat dulu? Lepas tu cut. Lepas tu saya buat balik. Sebab saya pun tak sure macam mana nak buat. So saya try dulu buat. Boleh tak?
Boleh. Tapi nanti you kena cut sendiri ya.
Boleh.
Boleh? Alright.
Nisa dah send ke? Yang
Dah.
Tunggu ya, tengah download.
Sama juga video bergerak.
Boleh tengok ke?
Yes, boleh.
Nampak.
Dia keluar. Terkeluar.
Tahu lah. Tengok-tengok tak ada dah.
Apa line dia problem kot. Okay, aku stop dulu meeting.
Apa tu? Kenapa tu?
Nisa, mu add Priya balik boleh? Aku rasa tak boleh masuk ni.
Sekejap
Alright. Thank you.
Okay, now I'm going to do query E. List invoice, item ID, description, sell price, list price, quantity, and compute the extension sell price times quantity for all items sold, where the sell price is different than the list price. Sort by item ID in descending order. Okay. Click create and then query design. Choose table, sales, sales inventory, and inventory. And then drag invoice under sales, item ID under sales inventory, description under inventory, sell price under sales inventory, list price under inventory, and then the last one is quantity sales inventory. And for the last column, we have to add formula. Sell price times quantity and for item ID, the sort for item ID is descending. Now click run. Okay. So this is the final output. Now I will save this as query E. So now I will continue to query F. The query F is compute the profit margin for each item sold. Calculate the profit margin as sell price minus standard cost. Divide sell price. List invoice, sale date, item ID, sell price, quantity, and computed for profit margin. Sort by profit margin in descending order. Click create, query design. And then choose table, sales, sales inventory, and inventory. And then drag invoice under sales, sale date under sales, item ID under sales inventory, quantity under sales inventory, standard cost under inventory, and now we have to add formula for the in the last column. Profit margin sell price minus standard cost divide sell price. Okay. Now, for the formula, the sort for the formula is descending. Then we can run. So this is the final output for query F. I will rename this as query F. Next is query G. Compute the profit for each line of the invoices. Calculate the profit as sell price minus standard cost times quantity. List invoice, sale date, item, ID, sell price, quantity, and computed profit. Sort by invoice in ascending, then profit in descending order. Click create and then query design. Choose table sales inventory, sales and inventory. Drag invoice under sales inventory, sale date under sales, item ID under inventory, sell price under sales inventory, and then we have to add formula. Okay. Now the sort for this formula is descending, and for the invoice is ascending. Now click run, and this is the final output for query G. I will rename this as query G. Is age. How many sales transactions were made in October? Name your output column, number of sales. Query design. And then choose table sales. Drag sales date. And then right click, zoom. And then write number of sales. And then here, double click, write month, sale date. So now run. So this is the final output. I will save this as query H. Now I will pass to my friend. Thank you.
So I will continue to answer question I until L. So for the I question is how many customers live in Arizona? List the state and count of customer. So go to access and then go to create query design and then go to table, choose customer, and then for the first field is state, and then beside also state, and then we click total up. For the first state is group by, and then for the second is group by. We go to count, and then criteria for the first one is it. And then we click run. Okay. Next, this is for query I.
Just click yes.
Sorry. Okay. Next, for the question J, so the question is how many customers live in each state? List the state and count of customer. Sort the list alphabetically by state. So go to create, query design, and then go to table, click customer. For the first field is state. For the second one is customer ID. And then we total up. So for the state, we sort by ascending. For the group by, for the customer ID is count. And then we click run. So this is the answer for query J. Okay. And then next one is K. How much did each salesperson sell based on sales amount, list, salesperson, and total amount? Sort from largest total amount to smallest. So go to create, query design, and then we go to table, click sales. So for the first field is salesperson. The second one is amount, and then total up. For the salesperson, just ignore. So the amount, group by change to sum, and then descending. And then we click run. So for the last one, L, how many units of each item was sold? List item ID, description, and total sold. Sort on total sold in ascending order. Okay, so this is for query K. So next, for the query J, query design. go to table, choose sales inventory, and then inventory. So for the first field, item ID. And then for the second one is inventory, which is description. And then for the beside description, to get the total sold, so go to Zoom and then type in the formula. And then click OK. After that, the under is, sorry. And then we total up. So for the total sold, the group by we change to expression, and then under we choose ascending. Then after that, we click run. So this is the answer, and this is for the last question, which is query L. Yes. Okay. So I'm done doing we done doing all the answering the query. So yeah. I will send the final result to the group, and then that's all.
Yes, I think this is the end for meeting 2.
We have answered the question, so this is our end for meeting 2. We will proceed our last task for meeting 3. See you guys soon. Okay, bye.
Thank you, guys.
Okay, thank you guys. Bye.
Okay, hello everyone. So in the last meeting, we have already completed tasks 3 and 4. So today for meeting 3, we are going to complete the final task, which is a task 5. We are going to overview our whole work. We are going to review the task, and also we are going to do the report compilation. So for that, I would like one of my friend to share the screen, and let's take a look at our work in the
Okay.
Microsoft Access.
Okay, I will share the screen showing what we have done. So this is table for customer. We have done in all of what the question has asked. And then this is table for inventory. And then this table for sales. And the last table is sales inventory. And then queries is the answer for the question. So this is for query A, the answer, query B, query C, query D, query E, query F, query G, query H, query I, query J, query K, and the last one is query L. And then yeah, we have complete it. And then the last one is report. So this is the report the question has asked.
Okay, so we have also done the report, right? We have compiled the report. So we can see we have paste the screenshots of the works that we have done for the queries output, and then yes, for the design view, and also we have screenshotted there what we have done, the criteria and stuff. And for each question, we have showed the methods to do. Yeah, followed by all the questions. query C until query A until query L.
Total of them is 30 pages. So
Yes.
the whole report is just uh what say story back how we do from the beginning, key in all the data and answering all the queries. So this is in writing report. So yeah. Sorry,
So
I keep
basically, we have compiled everything in one report so that it will be easier for us to review. Okay. So I think everything is completed now that we have already compiled and we have reviewed everything. So what do you all think?
yeah, I'm satisfied with all our work.
Yes. So yes, I think we have completed all the 3 meeting and all the 5 tasks that is we should do. So thank you everyone very much for giving cooperations for this 3 meetings that we have done so far. So yes, I hope everyone has a great day. Thank you very much.
Thank you guys.
Thank you.
Thank you guys.